What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Today we are playing Sandbox. So, if you don't know what this game is, you basically have a bunch of stuff like sand, snow, fuse, coal, and a bunch of other stuff. And then you can make cool things happen with the stuff. So what happens if we put water and lava? Oh my god. It's like there's like white bits going up and blue bits going down. Weird. But what if we put sand there? Sand. Is the sand invincible? Wait. Lava? Sand. Sand's invincible. Okay, what about sand and gravel? Yep, that does nothing. What about oil, water, sand, and ice? Wait, actually no, fuse. Wait, never mind. Rock. Oh, wait a second, I have an idea. So, that's like one rock, and that's like another rock, and then I put water down. 2 rocks in water. Look at that, guys. Okay, what about acid and sand? Again, invincible. Sand is the strongest. Oh, the fire goes up. That's cool. And then we also have blue fire. So what if I put like sand there and then blue fire? Oh, wait, is that working? Whoa, that just created lava. Wait, that's actually lava. Wait, put more. I want more blue fire. Look at that. That's lava. Sand, you're not invincible. So the only thing you can lose to is blue fire. Yep, that's the only thing sand can lose to. Oh, and the smoke also goes up. Wait, what? Wait, I'm filling this up with smoke. Oh. Okay. Wait, can I fill this whole thing up with blue fire? Nope, it doesn't look like it. Water. Acetone. Oil. Smoke. And then I'll put lava there. Oh my god. I think, and then the blue parts come down from the white, which means it must be raining. Okay. You can also change the size of the circle. So if I maybe make it like size 1, look how small. Look, and it makes small bits. Oh my god. It's becoming water. Okay. More snow. More snow. There. Is it gonna become water? Yeah. Wait, I think I know what I can make. Smiley face. There. Yay. There's the nose. Wait, that looks more like an animal nose. Wait, can I do a cat? No way, I did a cat. wood. Put wood inside of the cat. No, don't actually punch a cat with wood or put wood inside of it. Don't actually do that. Don't. Okay. And the last thing we're gonna do is do a bit of sand dust, acetone. We're gonna put a lot of liquids here. Wood, oil, glass. Oh wait, glass there. Blue fire, and then let me burn it with blue fire. Oh my god. I think I also heard if you use, I think it's metal, right? And then you put lava, it turns red. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.